Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file. They're trying to make a basket, and they're actually going to rotate the basket around and just use minimum amount of glue where the basket touches. It's pretty cool to do this type of stuff. But when they contour it, they're losing the arch, and they get sharper and sharper and sharper, and then finally you almost get round again. So let's just contour and see effects. Contour the inside, 1/4 inch, 12 times. And that's what you're going to get. That's exactly what she's doing, or they're doing. So a better way to, well, not a better way, but the best way to do it in this scenario is to Control D and make a duplicate of that. Holding down the Shift key, bring that in, and you could, I wouldn't go too small because you could always put another layer in there, and then grab both of them, go up to effects and blend, and I think there are 14, so we're going to blend it 12 times, and you're going to get that wavy pattern throughout. And for the one I'm doing it for, I wouldn't go any smaller than this, and I would have this as my base, or even maybe in that one. If you wanted more rings, you could make your object a little bit bigger. And if, for the ones of you that are watching that don't understand about rotating, we're going to fill in that and nudge it over. And then we'll take another color and fill in that and get the next ring. And just rotate this ring, whatever amount she wants. Let's say to there. And that's what the basket's going to look like. It's going to keep building inside. It's going to have some holes, but she can just add a little bit of glue to those points and, just kind of glue it all the way around, and then just do the next one for the next layer. And let's make it a different color. And you could probably, that's probably this one. You could probably leave that one non-rotated. It's just going to be just the opposite. But you got to think about, you're going to start with the black and work down to make a basket, because this would make a peak. Well, doesn't really matter which way you work. It's not going to be colored. You could work this way. Yeah, you got to work this way. And then when you get it all dried, maybe put a little weight on it. Just a board with a book on it will do, and then flip it over and you got a basket. Hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.